everyone, my name is Katina Johnson. I'm the Adult Events Coordinator from the Cape May Courthouse Library, and this is...
Caitlin. I'm her underling.
Oh, Caitlin's great. Today we're going to be making an appetizer, little taco cups with the Tostitos chip scoops. Chip scoops. We'll be making a peach salsa, and we will also be making a special bonus video, a taco salad. So... do you have anything to say, or?
Let's get to it. I'm hungry.
Let's get to it. Oh, and one more thing.
Drum roll.
This is what you're gonna be looking at today. Some peach salsa, the appetizers.
To make the taco cups, first I'm going to dice up some jalapeños. I want to make them a little bit bigger so that if someone doesn't like them, they can just pull them off. We're also going to be using jalapenos for the peach salsa, but we're going to dice them a lot finer for this. Next, we're going to peel and finely dice 2 shallots. After that, we finely mince 2 cloves of garlic. Next, we're going to peel and rough chop 3 ripe peaches. Peaches are stone fruit, so make sure to remove the pit in the center. And there are our chopped peaches. They're going to add a nice sweetness to the salsa. Now we're going to dice up some fresh Jersey tomatoes. We're using Roma and beefsteak. Next, we're going to take a nice big bouquet of cilantro and chop it up. Now we're going to take the juice of 1 lime, fresh ground salt and pepper, and 3 tablespoons of agave nectar. You can substitute the agave for your choice of sweetener, including honey or maple syrup, whatever you like. And then we're going to mix all of the ingredients together. Now's the time to add anything else that you think it needs more of. Let it rest in the fridge. The more it sits, the more flavors come out. Now we start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For the taco cups, I'm going to put 2 pounds of ground beef in a pan, add salt, pepper, and 2 packets of taco seasoning, and that's going to be on medium-high heat. Make sure to break up the meat so that it cooks evenly. Now I'm going to add some diced onion and minced garlic. If you like them more cooked, add them before the meat, but I want to still feel a little bit of a crunch from those onions. So the way that I take the stem out of a head of lettuce is violent. You take the stem and smash it. Now I'm going to quarter and finely dice it. I'll start by slivering 1/4 and then cutting those slivers into small pieces. Now it's time to check on the meat. I see that the onions are cooking down nicely, so I'm going to stir them in. Make sure to break up the larger chunks of meat so that it cooks evenly. Alright, the meat's done and we're ready to fill our cups. We're going to take a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and place the scoops on it so that they're close together. First, we add our meat. Then our toppings. I'm using salsa, salsa verde, and cheese. Lots of cheese. While the cheese melts in the oven, I'm going to prep some fresh produce for our taco salad. I'm going to start out by dicing some Roma tomatoes, and then rough chopping some cilantro. Now I'm going to squeeze in the leftover half of a fresh lime. The great thing about taco salad is we're just using all of the leftovers that we haven't used in our tacos. And now we're just going to mix everything together. Our tomatoes, cilantro, lime, and meat. Our lettuce. And of course, our cheese. And just give it a good mix and make sure everything is incorporated. Here are our taco cups fresh out of the oven. Finally, we're going to sprinkle on our jalapeños. Thanks for watching! If you want even more fantastic content, check out our Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube at CMC Library.